I'm Kristen Hall with Energized Nutrition, and I'm here to offer you some personal training in the kitchen, helping you to strengthen your culinary muscles. Hi there, I'm Kristen Hall. I'm hearing that lots of people are busy baking up bread, and so today I thought, let's make a soup to go with all that bread. When I was figuring out which soup I wanted to make, I went into my pantry and looked at what do I have, and then decided that I would make a taco soup. So let's get cooking. We're gonna start by adding in some olive oil, and then we're gonna add in our chopped up onions. And our ground turkey. Ground turkey is really, really lean, and so we want to make sure we've got some fat and some moisture there just to help it cook a little bit more evenly. We're just gonna break it up and let the turkey get browned. We're just gonna keep turning it around every so often just so we can get all parts of the turkey browned and cooked. So now we're going to add in a garlic clove and our taco seasoning. And we're going to mix that in and just expose it to the heat. What this is going to do is help our garlic and our spices to release their natural oils. It smells amazing in here. It's starting to smell nice and spicy. And of course, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. And then what I'm going to do is add in our black beans that they've been drained and rinsed. I'm going to add in some cream style corn, a can of corn, some diced tomatoes, and some chicken stock. And then we're going to let that get cooked for about another 10 minutes, and then we'll have our soup all ready to go. Our soup is all done. So I'm just going to serve up a little bowl of this. And then we're going to garnish it. We're going to add in a few olives, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of fresh pickles, and some fresh tomatoes. I hope you enjoy this taco soup as much as I know I will, and I look forward to hearing how it goes for you. Bye for now.